Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about poly B piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on. All right, Graham.
Yeah.
This week's question on poly B is, what are the health risks associated with poly B piping?
That's a weird one. I've never been asked this question. But unlike lead piping, polybutylene piping doesn't carry any health risks. There's nothing wrong with the plastic inside the pipe that would transfer to a human that could get them sick. What there is indirect health risk. So let's just say that the piping leaks and it has a small pinhole leak. It starts to create mold in the drywall. Those mold spores are going to cause a health risk.
Gotcha.
But directly, there's no known health risk from polybutylene piping.
Awesome. Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on poly B. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.